Good evening, folks. I believe what will be tonight's main event. Troy's AFA 90 Yak Face. Ooh, he's a peach. Great odds, too, for this one. For such a beastly figure. 24 spots. Isn't that rad? That I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our big winner. 24 entries, as you can see there. And they are going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. Which we did. We got an 11, which means we're off to the races here. Good luck, everybody. Gonna get down to it. Matthew takes round 1. Steve 2. Alex takes round 3. Gary 4. Matthew again on top in round 5. Steve 6. Gary again on top in round 7. Eddie takes round 8 with number 5. Steve again on top in round 9, this time with number 14. Eddie again on top in our next to last round. Round 10 with number 10. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And the winner of Troy's Beastly Yak Face is Peter Brinch. And at number 18, congrats, Peter. Here's the verification. We'll make it official. LQJBKI. 11 rounds in. Peter Brinch at number 18. There's the rest of the results. I'm done. At 7, just as the clock turns to 7:25. There you see it. Check that time. One more time. Here's the verification. Congratulations to the winner. See you next time, guys. Thanks a bunch.